Welcome to TravelScout. In today's video, we're going to tell you about St. Kitts and Nevis. We're going to explore this location and find the best places to visit, things to do, what to eat, and everything that will make your stay here memorable. But before we do that, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon for more future updates here on TravelScout. Today we're going to explore the stunning Caribbean islands of St. Kitts and Nevis. Get ready for an unforgettable journey as we dive into the top 10 most visited places in this tropical paradise. Number 1. Aerial shots of St. Kitts and Nevis coastline. This charming city offers a perfect blend of history and modernity. Start your exploration at Independence Square, the heart of Basseterre, and admire the Victorian-style architecture of the surrounding buildings. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the historic Brimstone Hill Fortress National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering breathtaking views of the island. Number 2. Sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. Let's head to the stunning beaches of St. Kitts. Frigate Bay Beach is a popular spot with its golden sands and azure waters. You can relax under swaying palm trees, indulge in water sports, or simply soak up the Caribbean sun. For a more secluded experience, visit Colonial Beach, known for its tranquil atmosphere and picturesque views of neighboring Nevis Island. Number 3. Rainforest Adventure. Take a hike through the Central Forest Reserve that showcases the island's incredible biodiversity. Marvel at the vibrant flora and fauna and listen to the chorus of tropical birds, and keep an eye out for playful monkeys swinging through the trees. It's a perfect nature lover's paradise. Number 4. Nevis Island Exploration. A visit to St. Kitts is incomplete without a trip to its sister island, Nevis. Hop on a short ferry ride and discover the tranquil charm of this hidden gem. Nevis is home to beautiful plantation houses such as historic Montpelier Plantation, where you can learn about the island's rich colonial past. Don't forget to visit the majestic Nevis Peak, a dormant volcano surrounded by lush vegetation. Number 5. Local cuisine. St. Kitts and Nevis has a delectable culinary scene that will tantalize your taste buds. Indulge in fresh seafood like the famous spiny lobster served in local eateries or upscale restaurants. Don't miss out on trying the national dish, stewed saltfish, paired with delicious coconut dumplings. It's a true flavor explosion. Number 6. Vibrant nightlife. As the sun sets, it's time to experience the vibrant nightlife of St. Kitts and Nevis. Head to the lively strip of Frigate Bay, where you'll find beachfront bars, restaurants, and clubs. Dance to the rhythm of calypso, soca, and reggae music and mingle with friendly family locals and fellow travelers. It's the perfect way to unwind and create unforgettable memories. Number 7. Cultural heritage. To immerse yourself in the local culture and history, visit the Caribbean Batik Factory. Witness the traditional art of batik making, where intricate designs are hand-drawn and dyed onto fabric. You can even try your hand at creating your own unique piece of art. It's a wonderful way to appreciate the local craftsmanship and take home a one-of-a-kind souvenir. Number 8. Scenic Railway and Sugarcane Fields. St. Kitts Scenic Railway for another adventure. As you ride along the tracks, enjoy the scenic beauty of the island's sugarcane fields. Learn about the rich history of sugar production, which played a significant role in shaping the economy of St. Kitts and Nevis. Take in the sights, smell the sweet aroma of sugarcane, and marvel at the island's picturesque landscapes. Number 9. Outdoor activities and water sports. St. Kitts and Nevis offer a wide range of options to satisfy your adrenaline cravings. Head to the beach and try your hand at snorkeling or scuba diving. Explore the vibrant coral reefs teeming up with colorful marine life, or dive deep to discover intriguing shipwrecks that have become home to a variety of underwater creatures. If you prefer to stay above the water, go kayaking or paddleboarding along the coastline. Feel the gentle breeze on your face as you glide through the crystal clear waters and soak in the breathtaking views of the surrounding islands. Number 10. Full Island Panoramic Tour of St. Kitts. Full Island Panoramic Tour, where we'll explore the breathtaking landscapes, historical sites, and vibrant culture that make this Caribbean germ so special. Let's embark on this unforgettable journey. The magnificent Brimstone Hill Fortress National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As we approach this historic fortress, prepare to be transported back in time. Marvel at the impressive architecture and strategic location that allowed it to defend the island against potential invaders. Explore the well-preserved fortifications, admire the panoramic views of the coastline, and gain insight into the island's tumultuous past. Next, we visit the enchanting Rumney Manor, a beautiful plantation house surrounded by lush gardens. Wander through the vibrant flora and learn about the island's colonial past. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Caribbean Batik, located on the premises. Discover the intricate art of batik making, watch skilled artisans create unique designs, and perhaps even purchase a piece of this authentic local craft. What are your favorite things to do in St. Kitts and Nevis? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts and travel adventures. Be happy and safe travels, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as well as click the notification bell icon for more future updates here on TravelScout. Thank you for watching.